Hi, so good morning. Welcome to again to this another series lecture about electrical wiring simulator. So today we will discuss the fourth activity for our DC series parallel circuits. Okay, so click this menu, the first menu, and then let's proceed to number 4. We have the series loads. Okay, so take note again, this particular activity is only for experimental purposes. So normally we do not connect loads in series. Okay, but it is quite good to have an experiment. Why is it not appropriate to connect loads in series? Okay, so let's try. Click and then take note that this is only for experimental purposes only. So normally we connect our loads in parallel. Okay, so click the north. Okay, and then as what we can see in our diagram here, so we have four major components. So we have the power supply, we have the push button, which is normally open push button, and then we have the PL2, okay, PL2, and then we have here the PL3. Okay, so let's wire the circuit first, and then let's discuss why it is not the appropriate way of connecting loads. Okay. So first is we have to connect the 24 volts to the input to the other terminal of the PB2. Okay, so next we have to connect the other terminal, the output terminal of the push button number 2 to the input of the PL2 or the pilot lamp number 2. Okay, so next is the out of our PL2, the out of our PL2 to the input of the PL3. Okay, so the last wire is from the output of our PL3 to the 0 volt or to the negative terminal. Okay, so our wiring seems correct. So let's now click the submit button. Okay, so we got 4 over 4 wires, correct wires. So now, although if you're going to press this one, all of the pilot lamps, the PL2 and then the PL3 will be turned on. However, if you are going to connect this one in actual, the voltage of this of each pilot lamp will only be half. So since we have two loads here, take note, please review the the theories of the series voltage, assuming that we have 24 volts power supply here. Since the loads are connected in series, it means that the 24 volts will be divided into the two loads, 12 volts and 12 volts. However, if these two loads are rated at 24 volts, so it means that this pilot lamp will not work properly. Okay, so maybe the light will be dimmer. Okay, so in the next videos, we are going to show you how to connect the wires, how to connect the loads correctly, which is in parallel connection. Okay, so see you in the next lecture.